There comes a point in every journey where you realize you can't force what isn't working. You can't make yourself bloom in a place that doesn't nourish your roots. You can't find peace in an environment that doesn't let you breathe. You can't force love, success, or connection in places where your spirit feels unsettled. It's not weakness to let go, it's wisdom. Sometimes, the most courageous things you can do is stop pushing, stop trying to make something fit when every part of you knows it doesn't. When your soul whispers, "This isn't it," listen. Because deep down, your energy knows where it belongs. We spend so much time believing that strength means staying, that commitment means holding on, that perseverance means never walking away. But real growth often happens when you choose alignment over attachment. You can only bloom where you can take root in places that allow you to expand, in energies that reflect, come back the truth of who you are becoming. Look at a flower. It doesn't fight the soul it's planted in. It doesn't demand that the sun rise earlier or the rain fall less. It simply grows where the environment supports its unfolding. And when the soul no longer gives it life, nature moves it elsewhere. You are no different. You are meant to grow in harmony with your surroundings, to feel nourished, inspired, connected. And if you don't, that's not failure, that's feedback. Life is gently showing you where your next chapter wants to begin. Listen to how you feel when you walk into a room. Notice how your body reacts to certain people, certain spaces, certain ideas. Your environment is always communicating with you. And when you stop forcing and start listening, you begin to align with the flow of your becoming. So plant yourself where you can breathe, where your roots can reach deep, where you feel alive, supported, and seen. That is where you will truly bloom. Affirm this. I no longer force what isn't flowing. I plant myself where I can grow, expand, and feel at peace. Hear your challenge of the day. Take a few minutes to reflect on your current environment, home, work, relationships, mindset. Write down one area where you feel unsettled and one step you can take to shift closer to alignment. Even if it's a small change, like creating space, setting a boundaries, or spending more time in nature.